What is happening, everyone? All right, top three coins which have not yet pumped, which are about to go to the moon. Apparently, let's jump onto the list right off, guys. But before we jump on, you know the drill. Go ahead for that like, hit that subscribe as well. Let's jump on to the first crypto asset we have, Verge. Guys, they are the fucking dinosaurs of this crypto space, guys. They have been there since a very fucking long time. Most of you guys didn't even heard of Bitcoin or didn't even had any idea what these digital assets are going to be doing in the future. They have been in existence ever since then. Now these people, they come under money markets. Now what do I mean by money market, guys? Money market means any digital asset trying to be money, right? That can be Bitcoin, that can be Litecoin as well. They can like it can be Monero. Like, so Verge comes under money markets, right? This is a simple digital currency, privacy centric digital currency as well. A lot of online retailers and vendors have started accepting Verge, guys, in the previous 2 years. So they have really started picking up, although they have been under existence since 2014, guys. Very long time under development. Huge community driven project as well, guys. This Verge crypto asset has a huge community behind it. If you are a Verge hodler, if you belong to the Verge community, go ahead for that like. I want you to smash that like right off, guys. You can simply jump ahead and check out all of the things which they are providing from their website, as they do have a lot of things going on. They do a lot of partnerships as well, so which tells that they have an ecosystem which is already spread across so many people. Like, so many people have heard about this name. That's all you need to know. That's all you need in the cryptocurrency bull market, guys. You need your network effects in place. This one certainly has it, right? Jumping onto the tokenomics, guys, you can see the price action has kind of started curling up, right? And well, if we just simply compare these regions, guys, I mean, this was an astronomical move. You could never imagine like where the prices could have gone to, right? So you started picking up. It looks to me like the accumulation range is over, guys. Most of the sellers are out of the market, right? Most of the people who really wanted to get rid of their Verge coins are gone, guys, are gone. This is simple facts, something which charts are telling out right now. Sellers are not really there in the market, so any consolidation move is likely to be an accumulation to reaccumulation phase in the coming months as well, guys. So Verge, certainly one of your, it has to be. All right, so there's this thing right here. The total supply cap for Verge is certainly on the higher side, right? 16 billion 500 million Verge coins into existence, right? Does that mean it's going to stop its upside growth? Nope, certainly not, guys. They have their network effects in place. If this one starts picking up, it's going to certainly massively go up, guys. It's going to massively go up. You could have some turbulences in the way, as a lot of hodlers, as most of the people who bought Verge right here could be distributing their Verge crypto assets somewhere down this line. But guys, the bigger picture stays that most of the major chunk of the sellers have left the market, right? Market capital stands at $500 million. Certainly a lot of room to the upside, guys. A lot of room to the upside, right? Let's jump onto the charts right off. As what is this right here? You have seen this on every crypto asset which has gone up like this, guys. This is an accumulation area. This is a simple fucking accumulation range, guys. This one started around these areas when the bear market really started kicking in into all the crypto assets, guys. But ever since that, it has been under a simple accumulation, a simple form of accumulation right in front of your eyes. And we left the accumulation range with the breakout of these level, guys. This one right here, right? As soon as you left this one, it is pretty much telling of the fact that the Verge is, I guess, it's done. The accumulation which has to happen in the lower prices has been, like, it's done, right? It's done. So we are kind of moving. We are set to move and test the, well, these levels as well in the coming days and the months. But yet another far-fetched price action, far-fetched piece of price action. So how can we really define our upcoming support and resistance, guys? This is simply going to be your Fibonacci analysis back again, right? Back again. So I speak of the 10.764 extension as the ultimate. But guys, I posted a video on theta, as theta, after the accumulation ranges, theta went to 60.618 extension today. Well, if Verge comes up with something like what theta, well, obviously, well, these are completely different kind of fundamentals going on. Theta is a video content delivery platform, and Verge is just a money market, right? So even if it goes to the upside, it's not going to be an accelerated move like theta did, right? So it's something like that. It's going to take its time. It's going to be very slow. And guys, there's one grind on the daily time frame that you need to be worried of. It is this right here. This is your diagonal trending support, pretty much driving the trend ever since this leg right here. and breaking this accumulation range as well within this leg, right? So you got to be really careful if you're entering the markets on Verge. If you see some structural breakdown on this price action right here, guys, you could be coming back and testing the breakout areas again. But good for you, right? If you're looking for this one in the long haul, certainly good for you if it comes back all the way to these price points right here, the 1-on-1 extension of the entire accumulation range. Certainly pick it up, guys. It's going to be good one for the long haul, right? Looks to me like it started going, but it is certainly extremely volatile, extremely choppy. So refrain from trading this one in the intraday time frame, guys. Just refrain from trading this one from the intraday. Just all right, you do have some play money, you have some snack money, some coffee money, put into these assets. Just they're gonna give you, I don't know, guys, they're gonna be taking care of your probably your year worth of coffee. Like even if you put like a couple of coffees worth of money into this asset right here, 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, probably you're gonna be consuming like 3 years worth of coffee with that 2 coffees worth of money, guys. This is all right, just to have a perspective into like long term potential returns on these assets. Now, guys, I do think some asset which has been there in the space since 7-8 years, guys, still working on the fundamental, still growing ecosystem, you're certainly here to stay, right? This one is certainly here to stay. This is not going anywhere, most likely, right? Most likely it's not gonna. So you have left the accumulation range. Where are your targets? Your targets are going to be 10.764 from the current price points. Not that far, 300% move to the upside, but certainly a good looking target right here. But we are looking in the long run, guys. We're looking at 2022, 2023, 24, I guess, right? With the Bitcoin market cycle top as well. If you align all of these facts together, certainly this one could reach the 60.600 extension highs, guys. And this one is from Bitfinex, guys. Verge against USDT on Bitfinex had the listing price at 86 cents, guys. This is certainly a far off distance from current price action right here. All right, this is the this is the logarithmic scale right here. If I put the arithmetic scale, everything dissipates, guys. Everything fucking dissipates, and the picture looks completely fucking different, right? And this looks like a good, like, it's picking up, guys. This is a beautiful looking accumulation range right here. It's a beautiful looking accumulation range. You're breaking above it with so much volatility. That's why do not trade it, just hodl it. If it comes down, pick it up for the long haul, guys, right? All right, we jump on to the next off right away, guys. This is DENT. Now they are also doing something very unique. This one got listed on FTX like yesterday, and guys, I had just slept on this one as well, it seems like. I mean, I was looking at this concept of like trading your data, guys. Data. What do I mean by data? Data means your 4G, 5G mobile data, guys. Like this project is decentralizing fucking mobile data and mobile operators, guys. They are doing something really goddamn interesting. If this one picks up, whatever they are promising in their website, guys, if it actually picks up, it's gonna have crazy amount of future potential fundamentally, as well as I think I saw something, guys. There's an entire marketplace of like data trading, guys. You can trade your data internationally, right? Like if you're staying, for example, anywhere in the US, you have some extra chunk of data left in your in your DENT provider, right? You can simply go ahead and trade it with some other people, and you can trade your DENT tokens into BTC as well, right from their app. So certainly a lot of things happening on this project as well. You can go ahead, do your own due diligence, guys. All of these coins in this video is not going to be a financial advice. Just keep that up your head. If you lose your money investing in these assets, well, you learn your lesson. But this is why you got to keep a keen attention. If you're investing your money into any asset, you got to know if the team is if the team is active, if there is constant development in the project, if the investors' confidence is high, if their ecosystem is growing, guys. Looks to me like this ecosystem is growing as well. From the investor standpoint also, this one got listed in FTX, guys. Now FTX is certainly one of the exchanges which really filters out its listing. So this one got listed there, so I really had to bring this one up as well. They got eSIM kind of activation feature as well, guys. So many things happening for. Go ahead and do your diligence, guys. This is crazy ass project, right? Let's jump on the tokenomics, as this was also under a massive accumulation, guys. This means that this project was active throughout the bear market, right? DENT was active in its fundamental development throughout the bear market. So what does that mean? That means that most of the sellers are out of the market. Most of the accumulation has happened for 3 years, guys. This range breakout could be very much real, could be very much real. Even if we come back down to some key levels of interest, it's going to be picked up, guys, but we are not going to be leaving below these accumulation ranges which happened for the past 3 years. Certainly long amount of time for accumulation, right? Now, market capital is certainly crossing $1 billion. Market capital 2x above Verge market capital, XVG's market capital as well, guys. I mean, crazy, right? Anyways, certainly a lot of DENT tokens in supply, but it looks to me like the price for DENT is nothing. It's completely nothing right now, guys. It's gonna be your play, just like something I talked about on Verge. Your coffee money can be getting into Verge, and it could be paying for your next 3 years worth of coffee, guys. This one could be, you just try to put your month worth of data's investment into DentCoin. Now that's going to be paying off for I don't know how many years worth of data in the future, right? That could be one of the possibilities in the coming days, guys. If this community is active, if this token is under development fundamentally every single time, if the investors' confidence is all going to be high, this will take off. As this project has some real concept behind it, some real functioning behind it. So really excited about this, how they will catch up, guys. I'm going to be keeping my close eye on this one. You can go ahead and you can hit that buy button on these various exchanges, guys. Links will be down in the description below. But as I said before, this is not going to be your financial advice, right? Let's jump onto the charts for DENT, as this has actually left the accumulation quite a long time ago during, well, not quite a long time ago, 2 months ago, but it left the accumulation range with a lot of conviction, it looks to me like. I mean, you're quite significantly up from the accumulation. You're up 2000% from the accumulation. So guys, well, any price action momentum coming to the downside, well, you could argue that it could certainly be picked up, guys. I mean, look, from these current price points, if you do lose out on this support right here, well, the first and the foremost support is here, so you can talk about a 50% pullback. If this one is coming down, if this one is getting reaccumulated, guys, you can also certainly pick this one up for the long haul, right? You're not going to be trading this one. If you want to trade this one, this was your key inflection point to take that trade, right? As this was in a this price action right here was so nice, so nasty. Aggressive looking cup and handle, breaking out of this channel. There you have it. This was a perfect trade if you really wanted to entry, if you wanted to take entry in the short-term gains. Now, guys, this is not going to work because I'm on the logarithmic chart. I'm sorry, I keep on forgetting that. Anyway, so quite symmetrical on the logarithmic charts as well. This was your trade. Well, your trade is gone, right? So what do? You do not jump into intraday in and out. I mean, I bought it, I sold it. No, you don't do buy and sell on extremely small time frames on DENT against USD, guys. You just accumulate this one as well in the long haul, right? This is more of an investment strategy video. This is not going to be your trading videos, as you must have guessed by this amount of time. This channel is pretty much trader focused, but it's sometimes good to talk about some quality projects and some intriguing concepts like DENT, guys. Is certainly very intriguing, this project, right? Anyway, you come back down here, you can certainly think of picking something up which could be aligning with this area of breakout right here, right? If you do lose out on this one, you can be coming and you could be coming back all the way to these levels as well, right? Which could be aligning with the support right here. Well, if you do break down below every structure, guys, wait for the accumulation range retest again right here, which is going to be significantly down from the current prices. But, well, anything could happen in crypto markets, but I think that's going to be a very, very far-fetched thing, as the bull run, as the market dynamics are certainly different, right? Bitcoin is at 60K. Well, so that's what I wanted to say. BTC is at 60K. Things happening, the market dynamics around this time are certainly different. So if you come back to any price points, pick these coins up for the long haul and forget about it, guys. Forget about it. That's going to be your most favorable investment strategy, to be honest with you. Just buy and forget about it. Don't look at your block folio every single day if you go for some purchase on DENT against USD, right? Your upside targets are going to be insane. I'm not going to be like, look, it's in a blue sky breakout. It can constantly keep on grinding to the upside, or it can go around, just hang around, go sideways for a very long time, then try to eventually break to the upside, guys. You could be looking at you could be looking at something like this, some kind of a reaccumulation chop right here, and then ultimate breakout to the upside coming in this entire year, guys. This could be, guys, 2021 is one of the greatest years for accumulation, as so was 2019, 2020, right? 2021 still is a good goddamn time to accumulate all of your favorite crypto assets, as the mass adoption is not even in the 10 digit, guys. You are early. All of us are fucking early in these markets. Don't be disheartened if you lose out on a lot of, if you're missed out on so many opportunities. Just don't get disheartened, as I don't know, infinite opportunities coming into the market with Bitcoin trending. So much things happening. Just insane, guys. Yet another video where I am at a complete fucking loss of words today as well. Did not get enough sleep yesterday night as well, guys. Did not. All right, next up we have SiaCoin, another undervalued. Now they are decentralizing the storage ecosystem, right? The cloud storage ecosystem. You can go ahead, you can simply do your diligence right here, and this one is yet another crazy project. Now, guys, in this entire storage space, there are certainly a lot of quality projects as well, just like Filecoin, which came into fruition recently. And Filecoin is evaluated way above SiaCoin, way above. Well, it depends on the tokenomics. Filecoin's supply is significantly less than the SiaCoin supply, right? These are micro caps, not micro caps exactly as of now, as they are above some $100 million in market capital, but they are kind of like your penny stocks, to be honest with you, because they are crazy. They have a lot of supply. SiaCoin, yet another crazy amount of supply on SiaCoin, right? You can go ahead and check their Skynet also. I mean, so many things under development right here. So I'm going to just simply jump into the tokenomics of this asset right here, as this one has started really picking up from this accumulation range happening for 3 years again, guys. This is again breaking out of a 3-year long accumulation. Now, would you get some better chances back down to buy? Probably, guys, probably. If you see Bitcoin breaking below some key levels of interest, certainly these coins will also go in for some another form of reaccumulation, guys. But the next reaccumulation phase, which is going to come in the next months or years as well, going to be very short-lived. It's not going to be as long as what happened in the previous bear market. It was a very, very long amount of time for accumulation, and most likely a lot of people missed out on this accumulation, as nobody was paying interest in these markets at these times, guys. Well, nothing is lost as of now as well. Market capital staying above $1 billion. Supply, less than DENT, but yeah, a lot of supply, a lot of SiaCoins in circulation. 43 billion SiaCoins for you under circulation. Yep. So what can you expect in the coming days and the months, as this one is aligning with the previous support, guys? We are going to be talking about this on the charts. Let's jump on the charts for SiaCoin, as this is above the listing, guys. I don't know which exchange I'm talking about right here. Well, I can't even see this one. All right, you must have noticed how much colors have changed, guys. This is just I'm just trying to experiment, like what is gonna look cool, what's gonna look cool, right? I guess blue is nice for now. Gives you a cool and calming vibe, I guess, right? So what are you doing right here? You're simply leaving above these price points right here. This one was the listing price for SiaCoin right here at 1.2 cents. You're leaving that zone, right? You got accumulated for a very long time. You can argue that this was a real accumulation range, and as far as you held below this resistance right here, you got accumulated, and you left this one with conviction. Not much of conviction, but a lot of sideways grind, meaning that this was a real breakout. So now you're simply heading towards the upside, right? So this was a successful accumulation. The sellers have left the market for SiaCoin as well, most of the sellers, right? You could be looking at some short-term profit taking, as this one is also up from the accumulation range for about a 600% move. So in the short time frame, you can be certainly looking at some short-term sell-off coming back at some key levels. But guys, most likely this in the long haul will also pick up. SiaCoin in the long haul will also pick up, as I talked about on while I was talking about Verge, as well as this video is more of an investment related video. This is not an intraday time frame analysis, right? You're not going to be trading these assets intraday. If you want to be buying these assets, you got to be holding them. I know, guys, holding is really difficult. You got to have those hands of diamonds to hold these gems of assets and all that shit like that. It's actually difficult. It's actually difficult to hold an asset which is already up 500%, and well, you don't really know which way it's going to go towards, guys. Just like Theta as well. Theta doing a 4,000x, guys. 4,000x, right? Crazy amount of returns in the crypto space. crazy fucking market as well. Just madness, bonkers. Now I do expect this is in logarithmic value, so we'll not be getting some good logarithmic targets, but it looks to me like it has actually quite well, it's met the target, guys. It met the target. If I shut the logarithmic values away, it's looking very different. It's looking completely different. Like this leg right here, you could argue that this is a third wave. You could argue one more thing, guys. Just look at this grind right here, right? Oh, got grinded. It was really grinding against this one right after the breakout from this accumulation range right here, and well, you had your eventual dump towards the 6-minute extension, I guess, right? Looks to me like this really came back and tested the 6-minute extension. Well, fell short of it, but you get the point, right? You get the point. It came back and it tested. So what could we be doing right here, guys? This candle is nasty looking candle on daily time frame, to be honest with you. Just on the first go, you could be looking at a grind like that, right? Little more aggressively inclined towards the upside, as the market dynamics are different from what was happening in January. Altcoins are way more bullish right now, way more bullish than what was happening in January, guys. So this is what you could be looking at in the coming days for SiaCoin against USDT. You do not want to really lose this grind. Losing this grind would mean that you're coming back and testing this area right here again, right? Oh, so volatile. This candle just, I guess, moved. 3% in 1 second, guys. That's why I don't trade these shit coins in intraday time frame. You're just gonna go wrecked. You'll simply go wrecked if you go ahead and trade these assets on small time frames. Not gonna work out, guys. These micro caps, sorry, not micro caps. These penny assets, these penny cryptos are meant for accumulation, more or less, guys. They're not meant for trading intraday. All right, I guess you like. I don't guess. I hope you like the list, and I hope you will do your own due diligence if you try to enter the markets, if you try to enter the Verge markets, if you try to enter the SiaCoin market, the DENT markets. You can certainly go ahead and check out the links down in the description below. That's where you can go ahead and hit that buy button for all these assets, guys. And I hope this video made sense to you, and I hope that you are going to be making some responsible financial decisions in the coming days and not trade these assets in the small time frames, guys. These are ones to be invested into, right, for the long haul. All right, I'm going to be catching you guys in the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.